Words have developed over millions of years to bring definition, understanding and meaning to the world around us. And for as long as humans have been communicating vocally through sound, we have deepened our knowledge and understanding of our connection with each other. So what's the key? What's the secret to unlocking communication skills and the ability to be able to speak and use words that impact and get others listening to what we have to say and share? And I'm going to share this secret with you now, but I want you to understand that knowing this doesn't necessarily give you the ability to be able to use it. Vowels. Vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. Now I know there's different vowel sounds in different languages, but vowels are the most open sound we can make. And if you want to connect with people on a deeper level, on an emotional level, what happens is you need to be able to fully emphasize the vowel sounds that you create. And this is not talked about in all the public speaking videos that you get out there on TED Talks, because everyone's talking about superficial things that you could add in or on top of your speaking to be listened to or considered more serious or more impactful. But no one talks about the actual act of using vowels. Vowels come from within. Vowels are the sounds we make when there is no restriction in our vocal instrument. When vowels flow freely, they carry emotion, they carry our thoughts, they carry our feelings. Vowels are sound. When we stop vowel sounds, that's a consonant. And so restricting the air that flows from us and out to share words are consonants, and they restrict, and that's how we form and shape words. So it's the combination of creating vowels and how we break up those vowels, whether we use our tongue, our teeth, our lips. And that's what articulation is. But what's happening is because when we share vowels, when they're very open with the way the sounds we create, people can pull back and restrict themselves too much. And we can try to voice only half-shaped vowels. And we can try to create words, but by creating restrictions within the sounds we make. So we're more likely to try and put noise into consonants, which is impossible. So we just make our vowels smaller, thinner and tighter, and therefore our words don't have the impact on others, and therefore people just turn off. They don't listen, because small, thin, wispy, partly created words don't carry the full weight of the word. And in order to do that, you need the vowel to be open. So the secret to getting others to listen to you is by looking at your articulation. Practicing opening your mouth, not so much from the front, but at the back. Allowing the muscles to be free, relaxed. Allowing this resonance to flow. So that is the secret. And if you want to learn ways in which you can open those vowel sounds, if you want to learn ways in which you can articulate in such a way that separates the stopping from the open, big sounds, here's a video you could get started with to help with that. I'm Darren McStay, this is Improve Your Voice. If you've got value from this video, then please maybe share the video with someone else, hit the notifications bell, subscribe if you haven't already, click a like, thumbs up, leave a comment. That really helps the channel to grow and helps it reach more people. Also, if you'd like to contribute and donate towards this channel and my creation of these videos, you can hit the link in the description box below, which is buy me a coffee or buy me a book, and help me to further create videos like this for you. Okay, I'm Darren McStay, this is Improve Your Voice, and until the next time, look after your voice.